Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can deposit money on stake platform, and it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already in our stake platform, and it is a platform where we can bet on any game, any casino. So here if you want to deposit your money, this is the completely easy touch. Here you just need to click over here wallet. In fact, when you click over here, you just need to set it up your wallet, like confirm your email and quickly verify your account details to get started using stake. This will allow you to deposit and withdraw your fund seamlessly. Just click over here setup, and then here you just need to provide your all necessary details over here. Then just click to the submit and code, and then here you just need to verify your driving license, or you can upload anything you want to here. Once you did, then they will redirect you to the next page where you can deposit your money. So let's give you the interface how it will be look like. Stake deposit. Here let's click to the image, and here actually you can see the method you will get these options. Like let's open this one, and here actually you can see, let's zoom this one. This is the way you can easily deposit your crypto money over that place. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.